There's no better way to celebrate our successes than to hear from our customers directly. So let's hear from Texas Roadhouse, an institutional customer in North America, about their own experience with Ecolab Science Certified as they begin to move beyond the pandemic.
We came upon the Ecolab Science Certified program, and it really meshed with what we wanted to do because it had those food safety aspects, but then also covered the social distancing and all the things that went along with the COVID world that we found ourselves in.
We wanted them to understand our culture. We wanted them to come into our restaurants with a partnership type mentality, and they did a great job of doing that. Understanding how our managing partners work as the center of our universe and how important they are, that we came in with a teaching and coaching mentality that whatever we did find within those audits, we knew that we were going to get great education from the auditors, and we actually did. I learned a lot from doing some of these myself. We know there's a lot of value to this. We feel it, we've seen it, it has helped us get better and stronger.